So I recently just got back from an amazing trip to one of the most amazing places in Thailand, Erawan Falls. Erawan Falls is a string of waterfalls in the Erawan National Park located in the district of Kanchanaburi. There are 7 large waterfalls along a hike trail, each with emerald pools of water beneath them. You can literally swim with the fishes and shower beneath the waterfalls here. This is absolutely one of my favorite places to visit in Thailand. Kanchanaburi city centre is around 120 kilometers west of Bangkok. If you're traveling from Bangkok, I recommend you take the Kanchanaburi Express, a minibus service from Bangkok's southern bus terminal, Sai Thai Mai. The minibus does the trip in around 2.5 hours and drops you off in Kanchanaburi city centre at the Kanchanaburi bus terminal. But Erawan Falls is around 70 kilometers north of Kanchanaburi city centre, so it does take a little bit of travelling to get there. Fortunately, there is a regular bus service from the bus terminal in Kanchanaburi up to Erawan Falls. Erawan Falls is in a national park here in Thailand, so it's in the Erawan National Park, so that does mean that you will have to pay an entrance fee to get into the national park. The entrance fee for the national park is 300 Thai baht for foreigners. That's around $9 and that's for foreign adults. For foreign children, it is around 200 baht, so that's around $6 for kids. The only other cost that you will have to pay is if you want to go swimming, and you definitely should. Then it is required that you wear a life jacket if you go swimming and playing in the waterfalls, in the water, but you can rent one for the time you're there for only 20 baht for one life jacket. And 20 baht is like around 50 cents, so it's not too much at all. The waterfall park is open from 8 AM until 4:30 PM. However, the top layers, they do close a little bit earlier, so the 7th, 6th, 5th, I think, layers, they do close at around 3 PM and they start to ask you to begin your trek back down the mountain, because it is actually quite a long walk up to those top layers. I definitely recommend you get here as early as you can, and also that you give yourself a full day set aside to explore, to swim, to climb and play in the waterfalls. It is a little bit of a challenge to get to the 6th, 7th waterfall. They are worth it if you are up to the hike, but make sure you're wearing some kind of decent footwear, which I wasn't, because it is a surprisingly challenging trek to get right up to those top pools. Don't worry if you don't think you can manage it though, because to be honest, the biggest and best pools to swim in are in the 1st and 2nd waterfalls, so don't worry if you can't reach those higher levels. But this is definitely a place you should check out if you're in Thailand and you have the time. I genuinely love it here.
Okay, 1 minute.
sat still, so he's like camouflaged over it.
Oh yeah, that's. You need water.
There's a water monitor in the water. Yeah, can you see the monkey sat on a little... Oh, there's one coming out now. You see that one climbing up the vine there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a bugle there, though, climbing up the tree. Right. Oh, there's a big monkey on the bridge next to me. Rude. Let's go. I don't think we can go through it now, can we? Gonna have. Slippery road. Right. Slippery road. That's what the sign said. Right, yeah. That's nice though. Is this number 6? Nearly. Go. Oh yeah, we clean out the top. No, 6. You want to go to number 6 or number 7? Yeah. What is it? No, no more, sir. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more, sir. Huh? Cold. Back up.